Check out the creamy wonder I'm bringing you today. How would you feel if I told you it's made with a packet of flan or custard mix? See? Super easy. Just a few steps, no oven needed, and you get a result like the one you see in the picture. Check it out! Pure wonder! Any creamier? Impossible! An amazing cheesecake. Put it on the table and you'll leave your guests speechless.
Well, summer is here, and there are few things more tempting than a cool cheesecake. And if it's like this one, which doesn't need an oven or anything, and is made with a packet of flan mix, even better, no gelatin or anything. It's amazing. Stay until the end, and I'll tell you the little tricks to make it come out perfect. You won't regret it. Wait until you see this dessert. It's so good. I'm Vicky. This is La Cocina de la Abuela. Let's get started.
For this recipe, we're gonna start by preparing a cake pan. This one is 19 centimeters, and what I'm going to do is grease it with a bit of a butter. This way, it'll come out super easily, and our wonderful cake won't stick. Let's go! Cookies, about 20 cookies. It depends on how big the cookie is. You know how it is. What we're going to do is crush them. You can do it like this, or if not, you can also smash them in a bag with whatever you want. No problem. About half goes in, and now I'll do the other half. Otherwise, the blender struggles too much. Alright, into the bowl. Next ingredient. Butter, 50 grams. To prepare a compact and flavorful base, we melt it, add it, and mix. There's nothing more to it. Mix well so that all the cookie crumbs get thoroughly coated with the butter. That way we'll have a Michelin 5-star base.
To make sure your cake base turns out perfectly, there's something that works wonders. A round glass. You press the cookie down a bit, and that way the base will be compact. The cream won't seep down or anything. It'll stay separate and taste great. It doesn't take any effort. Look how easy this tool is.
The cookie crust goes into the pan. Here I go. We pour everything over the base, spread it out a bit, and I'll show you in a moment how the glass works. Honestly, it's amazing. See? You press like this. Bam, 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 bam. And in no time you have the perfect base. Then you just have to chill it in the fridge to continue with your recipe. Let's start making the filling. We need cream cheese, 400 grams, which will give it that creaminess and that spectacular flavor to your future cheesecake. We pour it into a bowl and mash it a little. Don't make it complicated, just use a fork. It's enough to make it a bit creamy already.
Here we need sweetness.
100 grams of sugar, 80 if you don't want it too sweet. The first trick to make it perfect is coming up soon.
And it's simply to mix that sugar well with the cheese. That way, everything will absorb the sweetness really well. Our cake will turn out much creamier and much better. Super easy.
Oh, pour the sugar over the cheese. See? When you have it like this, creamy, just like I have it, we add the sugar and we stir it until it dissolves completely. Make sure it mixes well.
Let's move on to the central part of the recipe, a packet of flanin. I'm going to use a packet of the flanin brand, but you can use whichever you like. Potax, Mercadona, or the one from the Chinese store, whichever you prefer. You've already told me you like the one from the Chinese store. They have it at Eroski. I don't know if they have it anywhere else. So I'm gonna buy it to try it out. Thanks for letting me know in the comments. That way, we all find out together.
We're also going to need 500 milliliters of milk, which is 2 cups. There you go. In this milk, we're going to dissolve our packet of flanin. Take your time. 20 seconds, and dissolve it well. You won't have any problems, because if you mix it cold, it dissolves perfectly. You'll have it ready in no time.
The second trick is even easier than the first. Just add the milk little by little and mix it in with a hand whisk. We don't want any lumps in our cake. That way it'll turn out perfect.
Let's go back to our bowl. And as I mentioned, we're gonna add this mixture of milk and flan powder. Little by little and mixing with a hand whisk. So we get a super easy to work with pourable cream. Here I go. Little by little, I mix it in. And right away, I add a little more. I mix it in again. And this way, I'll get rid of any lumps of cheese that might be left in our cake. It will turn out much smoother. See? The cake is going to turn out amazing. Here I go. And I have a little bit left. I'll add it as I go. And we'll have this step ready. Everything in. I stir well, and I mix all the ingredients together. From here, we go to the stove, a large saucepan, we pour everything inside. I'm surprised nothing's fallen on me. Medium heat. Keep stirring until it boils.
Well, if you've made it this far, it means you're enjoying the video. The algorithm got it right. So subscribe, because we're gonna reach 1 million subscribers if you haven't already, and turn on the bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. At least 2 a week. All of them are super good. And why not? Give me a like. It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps me a lot. Oh, to keep creating free content.
Subscribe, turn on the bell, give me a like. All 3 things are free. After some time, it will look like this. See? It has thickened a little, although it's still a liquid cream. And very manageable. So we remove it from the heat, and we move on to our pan. We pour it over the cookies. There it is. And this dessert is practically finished. See? There it is.
When it seems like everything is finished. Here comes the third trick, which is simply giving the mold a little shake, because that way, if there's any air bubble left inside your mixture, it will disappear with that little shake, and your cake will turn out nice and compact, nice and creamy, and perfect.
Alright then, let's give it that. Good shake, which will make the air bubbles inside our cake disappear, and then into the fridge or refrigerator for at least 4 hours. Question for today?
What should we make for next week? A dessert in a cup with fruit. That also doesn't need an oven and turns out wonderfully. Or should we go with the classic American cheesecake? A cheesecake, but baked. You decide once the time has passed.
And thanks to the butter we put in the pan, we can remove it without any difficulty. Here I go. See? It comes out on the first try. And as you can see, we have the cookie base right there. Very well defined. It turned out wonderfully.
Final touch, just like that. It turns out wonderfully. But you can also add a bit of grated chocolate or a touch of cinnamon. Why not? A pinch of honey. Or go for some jams. The blueberry one goes perfectly with it. The peach one too. I really like it. Nuts! Candied fruit, fresh fruit, however you like. We'll see how I finish mine.
Well, I decided to add some chocolate sprinkles around the edge. And that's it, because I don't want to cover up the fantastic flavor of this cold cheesecake. Too much. So some chocolate sprinkles, which my kids love. And the dish is ready. That's it! To the table! Look at this amazing cheesecake we've made in no time. And with just a packet of flanine. Here you go! Wonderful slice. I'm going to get a spatula and I'll show you the inside. Here you go. Pure creaminess. 4 hours. And it's ready. Let's plate it up. There I serve it. A generous portion. Don't be stingy. These dishes are meant to be enjoyed. Go big. Super sweet. Look how creamy it is. Here. See? It sticks to the spoon. This is crazy. And this is how the inside looks. Wonderful. Strings. Who can top that? Pure spectacle. You have to make it.
Look how creamy it is. See?
Wow. I left it overnight and it's absolutely amazing.
Creamy. Intense. Flavor. A classic cheesecake, but ready to go. Much faster. Here you go, with a little trick. It's amazing. Wow, with the cookie. I have to make this recipe. I'll leave the ingredients somewhere around here, wherever they fit on screen and throughout the video, so no one gets lost. Thanks for coming. If you love yourselves, take note of the recipe because it's truly amazing. This is, for me, all to myself. This is so good, oh my God.
foolish lovers, day and night wandering around, returning to rest with the beautiful ones. 7 nights, 4 days of love, with the beauties I send you off to rest. 7 nights, 4 days. Thank you!